everywhere. The demon. Oh, the Joker. Right, the Joker.
That's right.
The hands of the Joker. When the Conman.
Hey, what's up, you beautiful people? Back with me again. RUSMIX alive. Okay. What? Who's the wardrobe? Yeah. How are you guys? Doing good? Doing good? Let's get to the point. Okay, so there's a lot of Marvel's movie coming out and showing out these days. It's just whole mix of Marvel universe. We got Avenger, we got Black Panther, we got Deadpool. How many superhero movie I can't handle. By the way, I love Marvels, okay? Marvel universe card. It's like hundreds of them, and I collect them. That's how pathetic I am. Alright, so Marvel have been coming out everywhere. Marvel Universe. How about DC? How about DC Comics, guys? Where is Batman?
I'm here.
Come on, step up
I'm
again.
here.
Okay, you got Aquaman and those things. But Marvel, they are just combining all the universe. Even like Groot will make Tony Stark, and Tony Stark will make Black Panther. What is Batman doing?
I'm here again.
I'm
Right beside
plotting
you.
something.
Just standing
By the
around.
way, that's not the voice of Batman. I'm plotting something. But then, I heard some rumors. Man, it's coming. And it's not only Batman. It's in anime. What? Really anime? Guess what? So, DC was thinking like, how can we top this up? How can we beat Marvel? Okay, let's make anime. You guys love anime. I'm gonna make anime instead. And Batman, it's only not Batman, but Batman as a ninja. I don't know why I did that. It will work. It will work because Batman is a ninja inside. He's Naruto! Like investigating, being a detective, you know. Batman is good at that, I know. I heard about Batman and I can't believe it. Like, is this serious? Is this serious? They are combining with Bandai. Do you know Bandai? Bandai is the maker of like 50% of the anime industry. And the guy who wrote this is from the maker of Kill la Kill. We did that on Kill la Kill. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. There is from the guy that did Afro Samurai. So I was thinking all this genius combined together and create Batman, which is already badass, which is already I don't know what I'm saying, guys. I just feel that I'm failing in life. I just feel that you guys don't even watch me anymore. And I get sad. I get so snap out. It's not the time for that. Okay, without further ado, let's get into Batman Ninja. I can't show you a lot of clip because of copyright. Just for you guys. Let's go. Second cam. Where's the second cam? Yo, where's the second cam? Now for the first time, let's take a look at Batman Ninja. I haven't seen it. Okay. Sorry. Okay, there you go. Batman animated style. Ooh, and the DC logo in the katana. Joker, looking cool, looking good. Look at that. Oh! Okay. First of all, look at this. Look at this coolness right here. So that's Batman with costume and with the Tokugawa period helmet. Alright. So this is legit in the old period. See, kill. Oh, wait there. Sorry guys. If you're thinking, why cut the clip? Okay. Copyright purpose, baby. So this is Alfred. I'll be guessing. This is Alfred right here. This is Batman being his damn Batman self, drinking some tea or ocha. That is Robin right there. This is another Robin. I don't know. This is a Buddhist monk or sort. This is Nighthawk. Let's go. Nighthawk. Hey, wait. I saw something. Poison ivy. In a bed? It's poison ivy. Robin. Catwoman right here. Harley Quinn. Yes. Nice. Look at the costume. Batman Ninja. That's it. Alright, it's time for shout out time. Okay guys, now let's decide on this. Now instead of shout out time, it's gonna be shout out and reading comment times. Okay? Shout out and reading comment time. Because why not? Double impact. Okay? Shout out goes to Z artwork. Hey, this is extremely nice drawing. I enjoyed this dragon. People are in love with the backgrounds, so I'm starting to make most of my drawing with them. I'm glad your channel is doing so well. Thank you. Shout out to Pikachu fan. I love your video a lot. You're very inspiring. You deserve way more sub. Thank you. Okay, and last but not least, DBZ Regan. Cool, I guess. Can I get a shout out? Yes, you can. So, if you guys want a shout out, reading comment, I do read all of your comment, okay? You know that, and I reply one personally, and I do all the thing. I do all that. If you want a shout out, just leave a comment. You don't have to say that, hey, I want a shout out. Just leave interesting comment, so it's interesting for me to read it. It's interesting for the viewer. What am I saying, guys? It's been a tiring days.
Everyone, the demon. Oh, the Joker. Right.
The Joker.
That's right.
The hands of the Joker. But
When the con.
Oh.
Everyone, the demon. Oh, the Joker. Right.
the Joker.
That's right.
Hands of the Joker. But
When the con.
Oh.
When the con.
Oh. Hey guys, did you enjoy the video? Click here for more video. Click here to subscribe. I'm waiting. Just click it, man. It's free. It's free. Seriously. Thank you.